be that thing right there. What is that thing right there? I like the word. Medulla oblongata. That's what runs your heart. Your brain doesn't run it. You can't say, go faster. But your medulla oblongata can. Also, there's places in the spinal cord proper. Remember the dorsal root and ventral root from last semester? Here would be a spinal nerve. There's one of those that has a sympathetic preganglionic fiber that heads down to the heart. And if it says sympathetic, what's the thing you're going to think of?
Adrenaline.
Fast. Adrenaline. Anytime you see sympathetic, you just think of this. And when you see that word,
Slow down.
think of this. Slowly. Okay? If you do that, you will not miss these. So then what the heck does the cardio, this is real hard. The cardiocirculatory center does what? Speeds it up. You can't control it, does it when it wants to. The cardio-inhibitory center does what? Slows it down. That's your two choices. You can't make it beat harder when you can a little bit. That's a really tough picture, right? But where's it at? The medulla oblongata. What nerve gets it there?
Vagus nerve.
Cranial nerve, number 10. We did it last semester, the vagus. It's nerve 10, that's why the NX is there. It's the only one, remember, it's the only one from the brain that leaves the head. Olfactory, optic, trigeminal all stay in the head. Out of the 12, that's the only one, number 10, that leaves the head because the medulla oblongata is in the head, and it goes down to the heart itself. Look where it's all attached, at the top. Because where does the heartbeat start? At the top. At the SA node, in the atrium. There's nothing attached down to the ventricle. Why would you do that? They're all attached at the top. Okay? So there's nothing really here. This speed it up. Slow it down. If you want to slow it down, you better stimulate that one. If you want to speed it up, you better stimulate that one. And again, you can't control any of this. So it's all like, hey! That's good. Your heart beat faster. Right? If I say, okay, let's quit now, and I start walking the door, you're going to go, okay? But they all go to right there. That's all it's showing, where things are hooked up. Same thing. PNS, parasympathetic, slows heart rate, decreases force of contraction. So I really lied the other day. I said that a heart beats all or nothing. Well, it does, but there's a little bit. If I actually stick more blood into it, if I fill it up from the vena cavas more, and it stretches it more, it will contract a little bit harder. It's 1%. But the thing you do is this. Or, but it can, if I fill it up more, it can actually contract a little bit harder. That's not going to be a big deal. Slows heart rate is the big deal. Decreases force of contraction is not that big. Sympathetic. Lion walks through the door, growls. Everybody's getting out of here, right? Nobody's heart rate is going to stay the same unless you got a big gun, right? And you're not worried. But even if you have a big gun, your heart rate's going to go up. Increases heart rate, increases force of contraction. Pretty hard. All hooked up to the heart down here. I'm going to give you definitions of those in a minute. Let's not worry about that. No.